In this video, you'll learn how to make money online by just copy-pasting images. Yes, it's that simple, and this is an OBS tutorial, so make sure you stick until the end because I'll walk you through all the steps you need to take to actually build a business out of this. Not just a gig, a business that can even be scaled. But you gotta listen very, very carefully because it's a step-by-step process. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And me and my team, I have 2 video editors. We produce around 2 videos or more every single day. For example, on the 21st of October, we uploaded 5 videos on YouTube. So if you appreciate the grind and the value, subscribe. And also like this video before we start. I'll even shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below, or your Instagram username, YouTube username, TikTok username. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar because you're awesome, and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, let's start. So the first thing you gotta do is think of a really famous movie that can still be trending. That's a very important step. And because I like the Gladiator movie, I'll write and I'll type in Gladiator movie cast. So you type the movie name and then add in movie cast. So you have different actors like Russell Crowe, Joaquin Phoenix, and for the purpose of this example, I'll just use Russell Crowe. So I see the actor, I will type his name in Google, then I'll go to images. And what you want to do is download an image of him before and now then. So for this example, I'll use this image because it looks pretty hilarious, I think. And then I can use some image from the movie that's as heroic as it gets. Oh, someone did exactly that. Okay, let's use another image, I guess. Is this different? Okay, we'll use this one. Then what you gotta do is use a free photo editing app. There's a lot of apps like it on your phone, on your iPhone. You can just type in, or Android phone, photo editing app. But for this example, we'll just use Canva. So in Canva, you click on create design, you click on custom dimensions, type in 1920 by 1080, create a design. And here, all you gotta do is just add both of these images. It's that simple. So you can have half of the screen and it helps you pick it like this. And then you can have the other half with the other image like this. And obviously you can pick, higher quality images because the second one is not perfect. But you can just have something like this. And then you type in text, you add some text. Actually have some really cool fonts that I've used from, okay, I don't have Canva Pro anymore. Then we can use Leak Spartan. That's a really nice font. Leak Spartan. So we'll use Leak Spartan. We'll make it all caps from, I think it was this button. So we'll just have then, and then you have now. So what you want to do is create a few pages like this, then and now, with different acting cast from theater, and just download it as a video. MP4 video. It's that simple, and you don't need any other software apart from Canva. So what you can do after that is make a YouTube channel around it. No, you don't have to show your face, anything like that. You just go on YouTube and we'll type in then now, just so you can see how much people are making from this. So for example, when I type in then and now, you can see different characters like 10 footballer houses then and now, Disney actresses. If we go on one of these channels like Epic Mashups, and I'll pause the video because I don't want to get copyrighted, but this channel has made over 620 million views. I get an RPM of around $3.5 right now, up to 4, because I've got videos in different niches. Let's put it at 3, right? So it's fair. $3 RPM, or money per 1,000 views, multiplied by 620,000. So you get the money made for all these views. This person made around $2 million for just uploading videos like it, and he's making a consistent, if we say that's 9 million multiplied by 3 for every 1,000, that's like 27 grand a month with just 132 videos like it. And it's just, if you check the channel, it's just then and now videos. If you want to create a channel that's similar to this one, all you gotta do is follow these steps. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. Remember that a video that gives doctorate by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.